Diamond, strong and stylish. Install stair planks on steel frame stairs. To install diamond stair planks onto a steel frame, add a center support to the treads to increase strength. Add support for the riser planks at 60 cm intervals. Install riser planks onto the frame with 32 mm self-tapping screws at the frame supports, 1.5 cm from the edges. Or use adhesive to attach the riser planks. Install the tread planks onto the frames using 45 mm self-tapping screws. Or use adhesive on the back of the planks that align with the frame supports. Install planks onto the concrete stairs. Install diamond planks on a concrete stair structure. Risers and treads must be level before installation. Install riser planks by applying an adhesive with low water absorption. Mix the adhesive with a 6 to 9 cm comb trowel and apply a thin layer of the adhesive to each riser and the back of the plank. Place the planks onto the structure. With a rubber hammer, tap and adjust all the planks. After fitting the riser planks, install the tread planks using the same method. Riser planks installation. Floor plank painting. Floor planks sustain force, friction, and scratching. Durable paint helps prolong the floor's shine. Use fiber cement floor paint. There are 4 painting steps. 1. Remove oil and dust. 2. Apply 1 to 2 layers of primer and let dry. 3. Apply 2 to 3 coats of fiber cement paint and ensure firm adhesion. If more paint is required, increase the number of layers. Let the previous layer of paint dry completely before painting the next layer. For durability, finish the surface by applying a clear coat of fiber cement or polyurethane that's suitable for woodwork. Let it dry and the floor will shine. Diamond, strong and stylish.